Hi everyone! Today we're going to have a look at expanding more complicated algebraic expressions. I'm going to show you some examples, but I first want you to try those examples yourself. So once you see the example, you're going to press the video on pause, and then afterwards you're going to check with a different color if you did it correct or not. So expand and simplify. Our first question. 2 times x minus 4 squared minus 1 plus 2x squared. So now copy this example and try it yourself. So please pause the video. Alright, so let's check if you did it correct or not. As we know, x minus 4 squared and 1 plus 2x squared could be written as multiplied by itself. So x minus 4 times x minus 4 and 1 plus 2x times 1 plus 2x. When we do this, you're going to multiply out of brackets. So you're going to expand the brackets. You're doing x times x times minus 4 times x, and minus 4 times minus 4. If you want to do it immediately with those brackets as well, that's completely fine. If you want to do it in separate steps, that's perfect as well. So 1 times 1 times 2x, 2x times 1, and 2x times 2x. Our answer is 2 times x squared minus 4x plus 16. And yes guys, it's plus 16. Since we have negative 4 times negative 4, that becomes positive 16. Minus 1 plus 2x plus 2x plus 4x squared. As you can see, we still have brackets around our answer. And that's because we're going to multiply out of brackets again, since we have the 2 over here, which was already over there, and a minus over here. And now I hear you thinking, why do I need to put my answer, my second answer, of my second set of brackets, into brackets again? And that's because there is an invisible 1 over here. So it's actually a minus 1. Before you go to multiply out of brackets again, you can make it yourself less complicated by first simplifying everything within the brackets. So we can see that 4x and minus 4x are like terms in one set of brackets, and on the other set of brackets we get 2x plus 2x. What you get is 2 times x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 1 plus 4x plus 4x squared. And now you're allowed to multiply out of brackets again. So 2 times x squared, 2 times minus 8x, and 2 times 16. And as I just told you, there is a 1 over there. So minus 1 times 1, minus 1 times 4x, and minus 1 times 4x squared. Now our brackets are gone. We get 2x squared minus 16x plus 32 minus 1 minus 4x minus 4x squared. Make your life easier by highlighting the like terms. So 2x squared is a like term with minus 4x squared, since the letter, so the x, and the power, the 2, so the squared, are the same. Minus 16x and minus 4x are like terms as well, and plus 32 and minus 1 are like terms. When we add or subtract those, so when we simplify, we get minus 2x squared minus 20x plus 31. And please put them in standard form like I did. I really hope you had this answer correct. If not, then you have a second chance. Expand and simplify. 4 plus 3 times x plus 1 times x plus 4 times x minus 2. Please copy this example in your notebook now and pause the video because you're going to try this yourself first. Alright, let's check if you did this one correct or not. We're going to expand brackets first. So x times 4, x times x. 1 times x and 1 times 4. What we get is 4 plus 3 times x squared plus 4x plus x plus 4. As you can see, it's still within brackets since we need to multiply it with our last set of brackets. I'm going to simplify what's within the brackets first. So, what we get is 4 plus 3 times x squared plus 5x plus 4 times x minus 2. We're going to expand brackets first again. So x squared times x squared times minus 2, 5x times x, 5x times minus 2, 4 times x, and 4 times minus 2. Our answers are still within brackets since we're going to multiply with 3 at the end as well, since there is also an invisible multiplication sign between the 3 and the brackets. So we get 4 plus 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 2x squared plus 5x squared minus 10x plus 4x minus 8. Highlight the like terms to make it yourself easier. So you get 4 plus 3 times x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus 6x minus 8. And now you can expand brackets for the last time. You get 4 plus 3x cubed, since 3 times x to the power of 3 is the same as 3x to the power of 3. 3 times 3x squared is 9x squared. 3 times minus 6x is the same as minus 18x, and 3 times minus 8 is minus 24. So please check if we have like terms or not. And we have the 4 and the 20 and the minus 24. 4 minus 24 is minus 20. And as you can see, I put it at the back since we want to have our answer in standard form. That means that we have a letter with the highest power at the beginning, then a letter with the next highest power, and so on. I hope you had this one correct. If not, then please ask your question now.